Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to check paid subscriptions on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to check paid subscriptions, you're going to just head over to the profile icon and then go down to find your services. So click on your services and right here you will see all of the subscriptions you have. So in this case you can see Prime Video. So these are Amazon Prime Video services. Clicking on it, you turn it on. So I can see that this is a paid service. If my subscription is on and running, it will show here. I could just go to my Amazon account and top it up if it is expiring, and all the other services or subscriptions which I have, I'll be able to look at them on this list, update them. I'll be able to stop the subscription based on what I see on this list. So if you have your subscriptions already set in and you want to manage them, this is where you go and you can manage your services from here. Now that's it for this one. If you found that useful, like it, and I'll see you in the next one.